Hello, and welcome back to another review video. We're gonna check out 30 minutes missions, the Spinatio Type by Bandai. This is a great kit which you can get for about 22 US dollars. They are quite affordable for what you're getting, bang for buck. This kit right here, it is super awesome, very fun to build, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. But before that, let's look at the colors. It comes in different shades of gray, a little bit of blue, and is more of a metal gray. Here are just some of the artworks that come with it, pretty typical for an instruction manual. The different factions within this line. Really like this part of the instruction manual that shows you the different part of the kit. And if you just open it up, there are more spinacios to check out. So let's get it started, people. Okay, so it took me about an hour and a half, a little bit less than that, just taking my own sweet time. And we're gonna follow this guy right here, and here's the head, which comes with the signature look of that clear glass as the face for the kit. And as for the body, here is the top part. You can move the neck back and forth, swivel around the chest, which is connected to the abdomen area. You can bend it a little bit forward, backward. So really loving it so far. It kind of reminds me of the number 57 Armor Puppet series, where you've got the core body and this is the lower body. Just make sure you don't mess up the front and the back. It can look kind of similar, but again, this is a pretty easy kit. And if you're looking to start this hobby, I would highly recommend the 30 minutes missions. Fun, easy, affordable. Moving on to the arm, we're gonna check out the shoulder later. We have to change it out for the armor, but as usual, you can just bend the elbow, and the hands are actually connected by a ball joint. Let's see, just snap it on, and this is what I'm talking about. The armor actually requires a little bit of space, so we can change that out later. So it comes with an extra pair of hands. These are the open type hand, and another weapon holding hand. Up next, we're gonna check out the legs, and they actually use the same model or core body for the different type of spinaccio. That's the thigh, the knees, which are double jointed, and the legs. You can actually move back a little bit, connected by ball joints as well. So looking pretty cool. Now let's put everything together. Again, if you're looking for a quick fix, 30 minutes missions, you can get it done in 30 minutes if you're a pro or not. So really like the kit so far. It looks pretty good. I think it is very scalable. Is there a word? You can pair it pretty nice with 1/18 scale action figures. So move it around, you can kick it forward. Okay, you can open it up. Wait, you can't actually bend it, put it down. So yeah, the different types of movement that we can do right here, like trying to do a T pose or like a jumping jack, who knows. Pretty fun to play with. So what's happening now, people? We're gonna put on the armors. So we're gonna start with the head. again. There are actually a lot of holes right here, and one of the things that 30 minutes missions want you to do is to customize the kit. So take a look at it. You can actually see the clear glass underneath the helmet, and there are actually two parts to this face mask. I think it's coming along. Really like it. And now we are gonna work on the shoulders. So just gonna twist it apart, snap them back on, and you can just attach the arm to the body. So this gap right here allows you to put on the shoulder pad or the shoulder armor, which we're gonna check out later. So this is it. You can see the difference. There's gap and there's no gap. So this is it. I'm just gonna put it on. Pretty easy. Everything is easy, people. Just take some time, and it's coming along. Loving the look. Here's another part of the hand. And guys, if you have built any of the Spinatio type or Spinatio kits, which is your favorite, people? And now we will check out the armor for the arm. Something fell off. Okay, so for the shoulder armor, there are actually two parts. I think you just gotta clip it, make sure it has that clicking sound, I guess. So I missed this part earlier, and it happens, people, it happens, no worries. Okay, back to the body. This is the chest armor. Just snap it back on. What else? What are we missing? Okay, so you gotta protect your front, man. So here's another part of the armor. What else can we do? Okay, so we're gonna put on some skirt. Well, I'm not sure if that's the term for it. So again, just gonna make sure you click it, snap it on real good, and put it on the side. I just find that this is a pretty interesting design, and from what I know, it's actually sold out quite fast, and it took me a while to actually hunt this down. Here's the leg armor. Can be a little bit tricky, but no worries. Hakuna Matata, people. So just the front part, I think. I just think that it might hinder the movement or the articulation, but we shall see. Here is the armor. Next on the list, we have the weapons. So this is pretty cool. You can actually slot this sword at the back of the shield, and there are a few things that we can do to it. First, you can just attach it to the back of this kit right here, so it gives you the look. And you can put on the shield, so this guy can hold on to the shield. Looks pretty cool. Now imagine army building this thing right here. Something fell off again. This is same problem. I must have missed it just now. So it's all good now, people. It's all good. Another thing that I want to show y'all is this part. You can take it out, and guess what? You can actually attach it on top of the sword, and it gives you another look. Ta-da! And let's say we want our guy to hold the weapon. You just gotta remove the right hand. Kind of bummed that you don't get both left and right hand because some people they are left-handed, right? So the camera gonna focus, and this hand is actually shaped in a tilted way to hold the weapon better. So yeah, I like the design. It's pretty fun to build. Again, pretty easy, quick fix. And this is actually the purchase of the month voted by the amazing people at Patreon. So just want to give a shout out to the guys. And if you're interested to join the community, we have a Discord. It is private, exclusive. We just chill, hang out, record podcasts, talk about toys, kits, action figures. Now before we end our video, this is the other type of the Spinatio kit, the army or the Sengoku type. Just depends on what you like. You can army build these things. Personally, I think the knight type might be my favorite so far, followed by the army type, and then the Sengoku type. But they all look pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I think that's it for today. If you enjoyed the review video, make sure you click some buttons, leave some comments. Until next time, see you guys.